Hello sa inyo. Sana masayang celebration niya ngayon. Andito nga pala kami sa bahay namin na dalawa lang kami ng nanay ko dahil yung mga bata nasa trabaho. Gusto namin batiin si Chaletti ng happy birthday. Ito na si nanay. Chaletti, batiin mo ng happy birthday. Happy birthday, hindi na rin.
Happy birthday, Lete.
Yun lang.
Walang sumasagot.
Hindi, sabi mo lang.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Okay. Yun lang. Enjoy. Salamat.
Good evening, Dar. Teka yung Ken. Happy birthday. Sana dyan nakapaning akong ginong makabangge. Kanita, beta pa. Malagad na talagang likit. Ay, seseke kasi ni aking tumakadayo-dayo. Ating salamat naman kung atong gino. Sitya nakatampang makabanggi ne. Kita mo ne Kasibayo, happy birthday and long life pa. Teka, dahil salamat po ne.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning po.
This is a surprise for Tia Letty. This is a very special day for you, Tia Letty, on your 80th birthday. Just keep on hoping that the love being given to you by your children will just be there every day, every hour of the day, every day of the month, every month of the year. No? So more years to come, more happiness, i-extend yan with with a guidance from up there. Siya lang naman ang magsasabi kung hanggang kailan tayo. So, yes, we hope, God willing, tuloy-tuloy ang buhay. And for you, Tia Letty, we are confident, no, that your loving children will be with you, no, to achieve this continuing happiness. Happy birthday to you. More years, many years to come, and hopefully magkikita tayo in person.
Soon.
Baka.
Ng isang maligayang kaarawan, milestone po talaga ang 80 years old. Ito po ay isang napakalaking achievement, and marami pa po itong kasunod na mga birthdays for sure, sa pag-aalaga po ng lahat ng nagmamahal sa inyo. Isang napakaligayang kaarawan po sa inyo, Tia Letty, ang aking pong tukayo.
Alright. May inihanda kaming konting something that will create impact, no, sa birthday ni Tia Letty.
Talaga, hindi ko alam yun.
We'll be sharing together yung share of toast for the 80th birthday of Tia Letty. Wala kami dyan, pero we could feel the heat, no, of the celebration. And the love
that overflows sa ganyang okasyon.
Yes. Tama ito. Sabi nila, maybe we cannot be there physically, but mentally,
We're celebrating with you.
we're celebrating with you. So, may hapyaw na kanta lang. And together we go, happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Tia Letty. Cheers. For longer life. Thank you. Manyaman. Okay. So, ikain nyo na lang kami dyan.
Sayang.
Sayang, but sabi nga nila, there will be a time. Right? It will be in person next time. We will see you, Tia Letty. Happy birthday. Alright. Thank you.